This is the TESLONG handheld infrared thermal camera, and this is how it arrives. Very nice packaging right here. The company did send this product to me for a review, but everything I say in this video is my own opinion. And my opinion is I like TESLONG products. I have a couple of their inspection cameras that I think are very nice. Inside the package, you're going to get the infrared thermal camera itself. A very nice set of instructions right here. They're very easy to read. All the information you need is going to be in there. You get a wrist strap that you can hook on here if you want. And everything packs away very nicely in this padded case, and everything has a place in here. And you get about a 3-foot long braided USB Type-C cable for recharging and plugging this into your computer to move files around. Because this is a rechargeable device with a 2600 milliamp battery in it that gives you up to 4 hours of continuous use. It feels great in my hand. The buttons are really easy to access, and it even has a threaded tripod mount on the bottom right here. And it has an IP54 waterproof rating on it, but you're going to need to make sure that this cover is closed when you're done charging it. So this is a dual light fusion camera, and it's super easy to use. So on the front here, we have 3 buttons. There's an on-off switch right here. You just long press this and turn it on. See, we've got a battery indicator up here at the top. It tells us we're at a full charge. And I've got it on the black hot, it looks like. Everything's clearly labeled on here and easy to find on this 256 by 192 IR high resolution 3.2 inch LCD screen. The camera has a refresh rate of 25 Hertz and a temperature measurement error ratio of around +2 degrees or +2%. Right here you can see the visible spectrum camera. Right here are 2 LED flashlight bulbs. And actually you can turn on the flashlight by long pressing the OK button. Right here is the IR camera. There are 2 different things going on here. Right here on this side is the spot thermal sensor. And this also has a laser pointer on here, and the laser is right here. It can be used by the push of the button. You can just press it once to give you a quick measurement of where you're pointing this at, or you can press and long hold it and measure the distance, as you're moving it around. On this side, you have a trigger right here. You can press it once to take a picture and press and hold it to take a video. You can take pictures and record videos while you're scanning the temperature and save it to the unit. It has a built-in 8 gigs of memory and can store around 20,000 thermal images according to the company, or 22 hours of video recordings. And inside of the manual, they also provide you with a place to go where you can get some Windows PC software that will allow you to analyze your images. They have support for 3D imaging, point inline surface temperature measurement, batch analysis of images, and for generating professional reports. Let me go through some of the features right here. If you press the OK button, it brings you into the menu right here. And we've got settings on here you can change around. Press the back button right here to get out. Over here, we can see the album. You can do a center spot where it puts it right in the center of the screen. You can do a hot spot. You can do a cold spot. You can do a zone. You can see the temperature popping up on there in the zone. You can change the color palette on here from iron, white hot, black hot, rainbow, hottest, high contrast, green hot, and lava. Something like this I think would be great for building inspectors, maybe, equipment maintenance, home inspections, automotive work, obviously, for security, for firework, industrial inspections, and on and on. Very nice unit. I like it.